Here I have OUKITEL C33, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card and SD card into this device. So firstly you will need to get yourself this kind of tool which will help you to eject the SIM card and SD card slot. Then you will have to remove the back cover, the case, not the back cover. So here you can find the slot. Here it is. So what you have to do is to put this tool inside the hole next to the slot, slightly press it, and the slot pops out. So here we can insert our SD card. And here you have two slots for SIM cards. This one says SIM1 and this one says SIM2. So let's insert SIM1 and then put it back into our device. Just like this. You can put cover back on. And as you can see, it immediately requires PIN code to my SIM card, which is the proof that SIM card is detected. And as you can see, there's also notification indicating that SD card is also detected, so yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.